Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Vivo V11 Pro. Now before we get started, these are the specifications and Antutu and Geekbench scores from the phone. Now this is my setup. There are two huge lights on either side and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it is 36 degrees, at the bottom it is 35. On the back it is fluctuating from 34 to 35 degrees and at the bottom it is 34 degrees. Phone has currently 54% battery left. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. So guys, it's been about 7 minutes since I've been playing Asphalt 9. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it's fluctuating from 40 to 42 degrees, at the bottom it is 36 to 38 degrees, on the back I've seen maximum of 39 degrees and at the bottom it is 36. Now coming to the gaming experience, there was no major lag, but the visuals weren't all that great. To be honest, they were really disappointing. Even phones like Redmi 6 and Redmi 6 Pro had better visuals. Even Mi A2 with the same Snapdragon 660 processor had better visuals. So that made me believe that this phone is currently having some problem with resolution or optimization. So with some future updates, gaming visuals will definitely improve. Anyway, right now visuals are really bad. Next, I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. So guys, once again I played this game for about 7 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 39 to 40 degrees, at the bottom it is fluctuating from 36 to 37. On the back I've seen a maximum of 38 degrees and at the bottom it is 36. Now coming to the gaming experience, there was a slight bit of lag, but that's negligible. And the visuals were very pixelated and doesn't look good. Once again I am disappointed in terms of visuals. By the way, I have also tried to change the screen resolution. There was no option for that and there was no gaming performance mode. So no matter what I try to do, these are the visuals that are getting out of this phone right now. Now going on next, I'll be playing Shadowgun Legends. So guys, I played this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum temperature of 45 degrees. At the bottom, it's fluctuating from 39 to 40. On the back it is 42, at the bottom it's again fluctuating from 37 degrees to 40 degrees. Now coming to gaming experience, visuals are okay, but there was some lag, but the game is still playable. Now for the final game, I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. So guys, it's been about 12 minutes since I've been playing this game. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 43, at the bottom it's fluctuating from 37 to 39. On the back I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees and at the bottom it is 37. Now coming to the gaming experience, visuals were pretty decent but there was some lag. Now coming to the battery drain test, I've been playing games continuously for about 45 minutes and phone currently has 37% of battery left. So for 45 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 17% of battery. Now this phone has a decently large 3500 mAh battery and considering the size, 17% of battery is pretty decent. Now coming to the heating issues, phone definitely felt hot, especially near the front facing camera, but it's manageable and bearable, it's not too hot. Now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously for 3 minutes using both the front and rear cameras and then check the temperature. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the heating test. So guys, I've been taking pictures for about 3 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum temperature of 49. It's fluctuating from 45 to 49, but 49 is the maximum one. At the bottom, I've seen 37 to 38 degrees. On the back, phone reached a maximum of 44 to 45 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 37. Now 49 degrees is definitely hot, but maybe because of the plastic build, phone doesn't feel all that hot. At least I can hold it comfortably or kinda comfortably in the hand. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to see if there is any throttling going on because of the heating issue. By the way guys, I've took about 304 images in just 3 minutes. That's not the highest count, but still, capturing speeds are pretty good despite all the heat generated by the phone. So guys, I've done with the test. There isn't any noticeable lag in the UI, everything is pretty smooth. So even when your phone gets pretty hot, it's not affecting your regular usage. So that's pretty great. So guys, on the whole, maximum temperature I've seen while gaming was 45 degrees and there was no major lag with any of the games. But as I've said, visuals were pretty horrible and I hope it can be improved with a future update. Because this phone, the chip inside its Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU is a really good processor and I've seen better results on other phones with the same chip. So I have really good expectations for this phone. I don't know why it's performing so badly right now. If there is any change with visuals, I'll let you know in my future videos or even on Twitter. So do follow me over there. Now coming to the heat test, I've seen a maximum of 49 degrees. That's definitely hot. But on normal usage, phone shouldn't get all that hot. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.